Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to check a car's history, MOT history, see what it's worth before you actually buy it off a forecourt or somebody who's a private seller. So we're going to use three websites. We're going to use Auto Trader, we're going to use Vehicle Smart, and we're going to use We Buy Any Car. All these apps you can get for free on an iPhone and an Android phone. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to just pick any car off the Auto Trader website. So let's go to the Auto Trader site and we're going to just put in any postcode. So I'll put in a Cardiff one, national, and we're going to search for, let's say, a Ford, pretty popular car, and we'll go for a Focus. So Ford Focus, there we go, plenty of. And let's say we want to pay a maximum of 3,000. Yeah, so we'll just do a search. Like I said, this can be any car. So right, so straight away you can see the first top car, 695, got a little run around. Yeah, let's look for something a bit more expensive. So here's a good one, 2011. Yep, £1,500. How do we know what history that has? Before we even go and see it, we can see how many miles it's got. So let's go to the Vehicle Smart website. So I'm going to open up another tab. And this app is free. You can get it on your phone. So, and we're going to look for, let's just open up a picture, see if we can get it a bit bigger. Okay, so WP11 PNJ. WP11 PNJ. And search. It's completely free. So you can see everything about this car now. You can see all the MOT history here. So if we look what it last failed on, so let's have a quick look. And it tells you here. So here's all the advisories. So you can read this for yourself. And it tells you how many miles it had when it was MOT'd. So you think, okay, right, not bad MOT history, right? So let's have a look. Obviously, if it's failed every year, then I'd stay away from it. So how do we know how much this is worth? So they want £1,500 for it. We've checked it to see what it is. We can see it's diesel. We can see what it done on the last MOT. Let's see how much it's worth. How much would a trader give us for this if we was to try and sell it at a garage? So for this, we're going to use WeBuyAnyCar.com. And what we're going to do now, we're going to put the registration in. So here's the registration again. So it's WP11PNJ. So WP11PNJ. We know it's got 125,000 on the clock. So we're going to put that in and we're going to go to value my car. Email address, I'm going to just use any old address, just for an example. first.last@hotmail.com. Obviously, you'd put your own in. Postcode, we'll put CF110SN, which is a Cardiff one. Get a valuation. So if you sold this to a trader, that's how much they would give you for it. And if you look, they want this amount. So bearing in mind how much the traders would buy it off you for, they're making roughly £500. And based on the history, would you really want to buy that car? This is just an example, but if you're out looking for a car or a bike or a van, if you do this, search on Auto Trader, use the Vehicle Smart app to check all the history, everything else, and then put the registration into WeBuyAnyCar.com, you'll see really how much it is worth. So if it was in perfect condition, with no marks or dents or scratches or scrapes, and it had full service history, that's the maximum a trader would give you for it.